Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himani and I post makeup and skincare related content on my channel. And yeah, for today's video, I have created this look where I have tried cut crease eye makeup and kept my lips nude. So yeah, if you're interested and want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start by moisturizing my face, and for that I'm using this replenishing rich moisturizer from Simple. Next I'm going to apply the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Primer in the shade Natural Tint. It feels really nice and lightweight on the skin and gives a glowy and dewy finish as well. Now it's time for foundation, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I'm also going to apply this over the neck area so that it looks even and blend it with the beauty blender. I'm using a damp beauty blender to apply the foundation. Make sure guys you also follow the same process, because if you apply your foundation with a dry beauty blender, your base will come out as cakey. Moving on to the concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is an amazing concealer, you guys. And if you're looking for an inexpensive and good coverage concealer, this is the one. So once I've applied the concealer, I'm going to blend it in with the help of a beauty blender. use the Nika K Watermelon Splash palette, and I'm going to take a warm toned orange and apply it over my crease line. Make sure you are blending it properly because blending is the key to a perfect eye makeup look. Use a blush from Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. It is such a pretty warm toned coral, you guys, and is completely matte. I totally love this blush. And it's time for highlighting. I'm going to highlight the high points of my face, which includes the top of my cheekbones, the brow bone, bridge of my nose, and I also like to highlight my Cupid's bow. Next, I'm going to moisturize my lips with Neutrogena lip balm and outline my lips with In Color lip liner in the shade Brown. I'm not going in the center with the lip liner because I kind of want to create an ombre effect. Now I'm going to fill in the corners with the same lip liner. Now in order to complete the look, I'm going to use this beautiful nude liquid lip color from Miniso, and it's in the shade Macaron Pink. You guys, it glides over so smoothly and also gives you a glossy finish. So here's the complete look. I hope you all like it. Okay guys, that was it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, be happy and be safe. Bye bye.